Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Now in this review, I'm looking at the AiM EA, and this one is available for both MT4 and MT5 platforms. So whether you are trading on it on the MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5, you can run this EA without any compatibility issues. Okay. Although you would of course have to download or purchase the version for the particular platform that you require it for, right? So first of all, let us start with the marketplace page. This EA is listed as a fully automated system built around artificial intelligence. We can see that it's currently priced at 30 US dollar, 30,000 US dollars. All right, quite on the expensive side, right? Now, what stands out is that it's not a simple indicator based robot. According to the developer, this EA is trained using a combination of hundreds of indicators, patterns, and broker data. All right. And I also noticed that it comes with, full support, updates, and detailed guides, which is important because with systems like this, proper setup usually makes a big difference. Okay. It's designed to work on multiple pairs like the Euro USD, GBP USD, USD JPY, amongst others, right? Across time frames from M30 up to D1. So it's quite flexible in terms of how you can deploy it. Now, let me break down the actual features in a more practical way. The first thing is that this is a fully automated EA. Once it is attached to the chart, it handles everything, the entries, exits, and trade management. What's interesting is the AI based structure behind it. So instead of relying on a single strategy, it combines multiple strategies and data sets. That includes indicators, candlestick patterns, and historical broker data. Now, the key point here is risk management. This EA does not rely on dangerous strategies like martingale or greed hedging, which is actually a positive sign from a risk perspective. Okay, it uses stop losses and take profits protection. Okay, optional trailing stop to lock in profits, and break even functionality to protect capital, and also the risk based lot sizing depending on account settings, right? So overall it is built more around controlled exposure rather than aggressive compounding. One limitation I already noticed is that because it's AI driven and multi-layered, settings might take some time to fully optimize depending on your broker and spread conditions. Okay, so now I'm just going to jump into the strategy tester. I have already downloaded the free version, or rather the free demo. Okay, and this you can only use the free demo on your strategy tester. So that's what we are going to be doing right now. We are going to be testing the AIMEA on Euro USD and on maybe the H1 time frame. All right, so we're gonna select the AIMEA. We're going to be using Euro USD, and we're going to be using the H1 time frame, and we are going to be testing from the beginning of this year, 1st January 2026 till date, so that we can get an a reasonable time frame for the back test. Okay, but I recommend that you test it over a longer period of time for a more comprehensive result. So now let's just start the test. All right, so we can already see multiple positions building up. You can see several positions have already been executed, and based on what I'm seeing here, the risk to reward is poor. You can see poor risk to reward ratio here. You can see the sell trade here. Take profit is very close, but stop loss is far away. All right, so this is one of my observations already. Let's keep going. Okay, we can see a couple number of trades have already been added and all of that, and the back test has come to an end. So let's just head over to the results. Now, we had poor risk to reward ratio, but the total net profit was about $400. So that gave us a little above 10%, and the profit factor is just 2.06. Total trades were 42. Short trades were 23 with 91.3% win rate. Long trades were 19 with 89.47% win rate. Now, the take profits were always close to the entry, right? Probably the reason why we have a high win rate. But if you look at the largest profit trade, it's just 75.60, but the largest losing trade was $99. Evidence of the poor risk to reward ratio. We can see the average profit was just $20.5, but the average losing trade was a whole $94.71. You can see the difference. So this also emphasizes the fact that the EA uses a poor risk to reward ratio. All right. However, this is strictly historical performance data. Okay, so take note of that. And we can see that the results vary depending on risk settings used, lot size configuration, broker execution quality, spread and volatility conditions, amongst others. So it's very important to understand that this is not guaranteed performance moving forward. What I always recommend is testing different settings, especially on demo accounts first, and optimizing based on your own broker conditions. Thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. All right. But before we finish up with this, in case you need an overview of this EA, I'm just going to do a very quick recap. So the AiM EA or the AiM EA, it feels like a complex AI driven system that focuses on multi strategy decision making rather than a single fixed algorithm. Right? This is just my final thoughts about this EA. Right? It's kind of highly priced, 30,000 US dollars, meaning that purchasers are going to be, highly expectant of this AI. And well, from the results we got, in my opinion, it feels like, it's not up to expectations. And for this expensive expert advisor, I feel like it should use a better risk to reward ratio, because we saw poor risk to reward ratio. All right. So the risk is not exactly good enough. Okay. Despite the flexible settings and all of that, right? But I feel like the risk is not good enough. Okay. But anyone interested in this EA, can test it themselves on different or on all these usable currency pairs, and across the different time frames recommended, to see which of them is going to give the best results, right? And according to what we can see here, there is 100% refund policy for the full version. So maybe if someone purchases it, but if according to the policy, refund policy, if maybe there is a need for a refund, maybe the person can request for that, right? But I recommend that you are very much comfortable with an EA before you even make the purchase. Okay. So thank you for watching once again, and see you in the next video.